Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 5, math, exercise 3.6. In 3.6, we have to divide. Division we will do. So children, you have already learned the multiplication. Division is an inverse process of multiplication. And in division, there are 4 terms: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Dividend, what is dividend? The number which is to be divided is called the dividend. And dividend is always greater than or equal to the divisor. And what is divisor? The number which divides the dividend is called the divisor. And the outcome of division is called the quotient. And what is remainder? The part of the dividend which is left undivided is called the remainder. And keep in mind this, remainder is always less than the divisor. If the remainder is more than the divisor, it means the division is wrong. Now, relationship among various division terms. You have already learned dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now, the formula you can learn: dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. It means when you multiply quotient and divisor and you will add remainder in the result, you will get dividend. Now children, you should learn some properties of division also. Property number 1, if a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. So any number, largest number or smallest number, when you divide the number by 1, the result will be the number itself. Like 5190 divided by 1 is equal to 5190. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. 100 divided by 1 is equal to 100. If a number is divided by itself, the quotient is always 1. It means when you divide 5000 by 5000, the answer will be 1. But here one exception: 0, you cannot divide 0 from 0. And when we divide any number by 0, it is undefined. So you cannot divide 0. So except when 0 is divided by 0, the number will not be same. Other numbers, when you divide by the number itself, the result will be 1. Now, second, division of a number by 0 is not possible. It means when you divide any number by 0, it is meaningless. Like 300 divided by 0, it is meaningless. Now, division of 0 by a number other than 0 is 0. For example, 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 157 is equal to 0. So, when you divide 0 by any number, the result will be 0. Children, some tips of division by 10, 100 and 1000. So when the tips are, when you divide by 10, 100 and 1000, you will not actually do the division. You can easily find the answer. These are: when the number is divided by 10. When any number you divide by 10, all digits except digit at one's place will be quotient. And digit at one's place will be remainder. When you divide any number by 100, all digits except digits at tens and ones place will be quotient, and tens and one place digits at tens and ones place will be the remainder. So when you divide by 100, digits at tens and digits at tens and ones place will be remainder. When you divide any number by 1000, in this case, all digits except digits at hundreds, tens and ones place will be quotient, and digits at 100 place, tens place and ones place will be remainder. So in this way you can easily find out the division by 10, 100 or 1000 without actual division. You can get the answer. Now we will start exercise 3.6. There are so many questions in this. One question I have solved for you. See, 39,476 is divided by 69. So you will write the number like this: 39,476. Now you will start dividing. You can write the table of this 69 is the divisor. So you can write the table of the divisor up to 9. 69 1 ja 69, 69 2 ja, 69 3 ja. You can write the division. Now the division table of 69, multiplication table of 69. Now you will start division. So 69 and dividend is 39,476. So you see that 2 place is 69, here 2 place is 39. So 39 is less than 69. So you will take another place also, 3 place. Now you will see that 69 into 5 is equal to 345, which is less than 394, and 69 into 6 is more than 394. So you will multiply by 5. So 5 9 ja 45, 5 you write here, 5 6 ja 30 plus 4 34. So 345, and now you will subtract. When you subtracted, the result will be 49. Now you will bring down one number, next number from the dividend. So next number is 7. So 7 you will bring down here. Now this will be 497. This is now 497. Now again you will see the table which you have written already. In this you can see 69 7 ja 483, and 69 8 ja, the number you get is more than 497, and 69 7 ja 483 is just less than 497. So 7 ja you will put here. So 69 7 ja 483 you will write. Now you will subtract. 7 minus 3 4, 9 minus 8 1. Again the next number 6 you will bring down. So now this number will be 146. Now again you will divide. 69 2 ja 138. Now you will subtract. 16 minus 8 8. Now you see that remainder is 8, quotient is 572, and divisor is 69, dividend is 39,476. Now you have to do verification also. So verification we have already learned. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here divisor is 69 into quotient is here 572 plus remainder is here 8. Now you will, when you multiply 69 into 572, rough work I have done here, you can see 39,468. So you will write 39,468 plus remainder 8 you will add in this. In next step, you see 39,476 is the answer, which is equal to the dividend in the question, 39,476. It means in the question dividend and in verification dividend both are same. It means your verification is correct, your division is correct. In this way you will solve other question also. Thank you.